happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Hopefully everybody able can pull up since we're doing this a tad bit early today. Since we're doing it a tad bit early, hopefully everybody can pull up, pull up, pull up. Let me go ahead and pin this comment real quick. Pin this comment real quick and then we'll get into it. We will get into it. Pin comment. What's happening? For everybody pulling up, and this is your first time, let's go ahead and get the pleasantries out of the way. Hello, how are you? My name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr. I go live on Al Gore's internet every day in the morning, roughly 9 o'clock a.m. Then in the evening, roughly 6:30 p.m. East Standard Time. And I talk about the price market. The price market. I discuss the price action. In the morning, we talk about what it looked like overnight and what's the most high probability direction that is going to go. Did I say probability? I don't know. But we try to figure out which direction it's going to go by paying attention to the price action and looking for little clues in there and try to see if we can find a trade or two. Started out doing Tim's Tidbit by trying to help teach friends and family what I had learned about the stock market, about investing, and about trading. Then I said, hey, let's do it for the whole world if I can, for the free 99. Just give it away for free. Here, you can have it. There you go. Take it. It's yours. Take it. And I don't charge. I just do it for the free 99. So, only thing I ask you to do is press the like. It's either on this side of your screen or on that side of the screen. I don't know what side of the screen it is for you. It's in the middle for my son on his tablet. So, hit the like button. That's the only thing I ask you to do. Hit the share button. That's all I should do. Share it with one cousin you like and one cousin you don't like. So we come together and build this generation of wealth. Build a new Wakanda together. What's going on, man? How y'all doing today, man? What's going on, Ryan? What's going on here to learn and share? What's going on, Deb? What's going on, Tap Skim? What's going on, 100? What's going on, SJ? What's good? What's good? What's good in the hood? What's good in the... Oh, yeah, them bulls. Eating. Yes. The spy calls brought me back from the dead. I was out here like this. Brought me back from the dead. You feel me? There I go. Y'all know what it is. Y'all. And speaking of Spy League, we gonna put that on the screen right now, and then we go share our screen like this. Oh, let me put the link in the chat. I'll put the link in the chat. This a thriller. What's going on, Gabriel? I don't know if it's Gabriel or Gabriel, but that's what I'm gonna say. Hey, the link is in the chat for anybody that want to pull up. That want to pull up and ask something. Anybody that want to pull up and share something, the link is in the chat. The reason why we going live early today is because I got a Zoom call that I got to get on at 7 o'clock, and I got to pick up Timothy at 6:30. So that's why we going live to do the price action recap early. But with all of that being said, y'all, let's go to it. Uh-oh, I got to put it back on the screen. Spy League, where you at, baby? Here I go. Where she at? There she go. Here I go. Man, Spy League showed off. I ain't even realized Spy League hadn't showed off like this right here. I ain't know she hadn't showed off like this right here. Cause I hadn't tapped out. I tapped out at about 11:15 today. About 11:15. Yeah, I tapped out about 11:15, and then that was it. I ain't come back here no more. We got some more people pulling up. I said, "What's up to Gabriel?" I said, "Oh no, I didn't." What's up, Laverne? Appreciate that, Deb. Y'all hit that like button for me. That's all I ask. A-Trade 10X. That's my first time ever seeing that name. If you've been here before, A-Trade 10X, I jalapies. But that's my first time seeing that name. What up? What up, bruh? What up, cuh? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, cuh? What up, blood? What up, cuh? What up, gangsta? Who remember that song there? Brittany. Oh, you tapped out at the same time? Okay, then. Yeah, about 11:15. Yep. Ramon. What's going on, Ramon? Appreciate everybody pulling up, man. Oh yeah, Spalene put her track shoes on. She's a runner. She's a track star. She don't know how to make it hard. She don't know how to make it hard. Yeah. Hey. What I was gonna say. Oh yeah, Spalene. Let's see what Spalene talk about. Here we go. This is where we at. We we came back up into this area right here that we consolidated in June, waiting for the CPI number, the job numbers. We consolidate. We blast off right here, right? Pew! Took off, ran kind of far and fast. See, we got gaps and stretches and big days and all of that right there, right? And then so we cooled off. We chilled out right here. We cooled off. You know what I'm saying? The job numbers came out, killed us. CPI came out, killed us. PPI came out, killed us. You know what I'm saying? Then we tried to form a bottom. The Bulls was like, okay, that's enough. That's enough. We're going to form a bottom. We've been dropping since way back here in January. We've been dropping since way over here somewhere. The ad all in the way. We've been dropping since way low right here. January. Boop, right there. First day of January right there. We've been dropping from here. We fell all the way down here. It don't look that bad when you stretch it out, but when you put it together like it's supposed to be like this right here, whoo, it start looking bad. It start looking bad. Oh, I'm falling. No, I'm not. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, I'm falling. See, that's how we came down here, right? So we got down here, and then we started coming back up here. Came back here with a little retest of the area that we was trying to make the bottom, right? Because the Bulls was like, I'm sick of it. Pew! Took off, right? Came back, stopped right here at this gap down, came back to retest this area that it's a sloppy consolidation here. This consolidation all nice and tight so you can see, oh yeah, we consolidating. This consolidation right here when we was trying to form this bottom, it's all sloppy. Look at it's all big sloppy ranges, right? So we came back and we test that area right there on the 26th of July, and then we took off again, right? So we took off again and we came right back here to the same little area of contention, right? Right to the same area of the contention, right? And so a lot of people may be like, well, man, why are we consolidating here again? Is it because of this, you know what I'm saying, this, what's the name right here? Yeah, it can be because of that, but when you zoom out a little bit and like really look at it, right? When you come back up here from when we started to fall, we are back in the middle of the road. The glass half full and half empty again. We right back there in the middle of the road. So it's right there when the Bulls gonna be like, you go first. The Bears gonna be like, nah, you go first. The Bulls gonna be like, no, you go first. Nah, you go first. You go first. Nah, you go first. We're back. In the middle of the road. We back in the middle of the road, but from a different standpoint. We back in the middle of the road from when the last big leg down. See, the last big leg down, we just came right back here to the equilibrium, right? And where's the equilibrium? The equilibrium is right here at February's low. Pretty much close enough for government work. Right there at February's low. That's the equilibrium mark right there. Last time we got back here, we consolidated for a long time trying to make up our mind. What people do for money. Trying to figure out what people do for their money, right? When the bad news came out, down goes Frazier. We went down, right? So now we right back there at decision time, right? So now, do the Bulls have enough gas in their tank to push us above this area? Do we have what it takes to break out? Or will the Bears push us back down again? Tune in on the next episode of Spy Lee, where you at, baby? Yeah, so that's where we at right now. We right there at the halfway point again. We halfway in between the last big leg down. This is the leg that actually put us into bear market territory. This leg right here actually put us into bear market territory, because if you go from the high in January, that the high, we made a high on January 4th, right? If you come down, right here, right there. That's the closure that sealed the deal. Once we get out of here, Ed. Once we closed up under the low of May 20th, once we closed up under that low, this right here is the price leg that officially put us into bear market territory and officially made this whole run, turned the whole thing into a bear market. Up until then, we were still in this bull market. This bull market had been running for a long time. This bull market had been running since let's see, what's 20% off the low. Up, it's too high. That's too high. This bull market had been running since roughly, we're going to just say it's been running since, what's that, April? Since April 2020. So we had been running, this bull market had been running since April 2020. We was gone. This was a bull market we was in. And up until here, it was still, we were heading toward a bear market, but this is when we officially changed over to a bear market. Now we're in a bear market now, and we've been in a bear market since June 13th officially. Right, we've been in a bear market since June 13th officially, but this is the day that turned it into a bear market, right? And now we're out of bear market territory, but we're still in a bear market because we won't be back in a new bull market until we get up above 430, 460. That's 20% off the low. Right here, 430, 460 is 20% off the low. That's when we'll give birth to a new bear market. If we were to reverse and come down and just tear the bottom out again, pause. If we reverse and come down and tear the bottom out again, pause again, we would have to find 20% from whatever that new low is, and then that would be the number to birth the new bull market. But it looks like it's all signs are pointing toward trying to make a new bull market. Will we get there? I don't know. Don't care. I trade what I see. I'm not a bull or a bear. I'm a beast. Go buy a shirt. I got a shirt that say that. Speaking of a shirt that say that, go to thenewtlr.com and buy some merch if you want to. Thenewtlr.com. 9 letters. Thenewtlr.com. The shop look like this right here. Go buy you a shirt that says this right here. I'm not a bull or a bear. I'm a beast. Let me show it to you in white so you can see it. I'm not a bull or a bear. I'm a beast. Got plenty of shirts out there. I made that shop called The Cousins. Was like, hey, Tim, how can I get that shirt? This was the one that started it all. Tim, how can I get that shirt? It was a black one. How can I get that shirt? I like that. That's fine. I got options. I buy them, I sell them. I say, you can't get it. I made it myself. Well, sell it. Make a merch shop. I made the merch shop, and The Cousins been supporting me. I appreciate that. Oh, but hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Up until now, this Saturday is my birthday and Christopher's birthday. If you feel like buying something at the merch shop, don't buy nothing at the merch shop. Take a portion of whatever you was going to spend in the merch shop and cash app it to Banjo Bobby 54 because it's my son's birthday. Me and my son birthday on the same day. He was born on my birthday. If you don't book no one-on-one, don't buy nothing at the merch shop. Don't do nothing. If you feel like doing something for me, cash out Banjo Bobby 54, a portion of whatever you was gonna do, and the proceeds gonna go to Christopher's brokerage account. We're gonna put it in his brokerage account. I appreciate you, Laverne. Laverne say got the 2 shirts and love them. I appreciate it. I love my shirts too. I ain't got on there today. I still got on my sweaty fretted shirt from when I went running this morning. Stinking? Yep. Let's get back at it. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so we're out of bear market territory, but we still in a bear market because we won't be back in a bull market until we break 430, 460 on Spy Right now, look like all signs of go for my weekly target right above this high right here, 417.44. I was being conservative because I expected us just to range here a lot more. It looked like we really trying to push toward that. That's my weekly target above 417.44 to make a new weekly high. My weekly stretch goal, like, hey man, what we doing up here? Is up here at these highs at 429.66. That's my stretch. That's my stretch goal. Like, I don't think we gonna get there, but I take it. You know what I'm saying? But we're a stone's throw away. Today we closed at 414.45, and we got as high as 415.68. And my weekly goal, my weekly target was 417.44. Anything above 417.44. I did cash out of my calls that I got. I had got some calls yesterday when we dropped down here, and when I had got my head bust in on the MES. The reason why I got the calls is because we came back and filled that daily fair value gap that was under there that was sitting right on top of this fair value gap right here. So I got some 410 calls right there. I got some 410 calls when we came down and kissed the top of this fair value gap and filled in the one that I had closed out. I got them around the same time when I got my head bust to the white meat on that MES thing. I was gonna hold it until the end of the week when it got up here to my target, but I hit my profit target that I wanted on it, so I closed it. I wasn't gonna be greedy and try to let it run up to see how far I can let it go. I hit my profit target, got out of there. I'm out of there. I'm happy. Yeah, that's Spyleen. Spyleen, she just blast off all day long. She almost to on the profit target. Let's see what tomorrow and Friday brings. What's on the economic calendar for tomorrow and Friday? I ain't gonna hold you. All the major earnings are over. I think AMD reported yesterday or today. Like all the major earnings that everybody really want to see are like over. AMD reported yesterday. They had an amazing day yesterday and today. They gapped down and went crazy, went stupid. They had an amazing day, but all the real earnings anybody care about, they over, man. The rest of the earnings season is like a snooze fest. I ain't gonna hold you. Once the big dogs report, you know what I'm saying, people don't really care about earnings season no more because all the market movers done reported already. The rest of it is just important to people who got that stuff in their portfolio. Thursday, we got job numbers, of course. We got this international trade and goods services. Friday we got the non-farm payroll numbers. And a couple other things that they don't deem as market movers, but it's a few other economic things that you can look at. You got Miss Master speaking. Miss Loretta Master is speaking. I saw Loretta speaking the other day. I was looking at CNBC. I was up late in the morning, like it early in the morning, should I say? And she was talking about some stuff. She gonna be speaking. Who cares? Snooze fest. The market don't care about stuff like that. Let's see what we did today on the price action. On the price action, it looks like it was a very slow reprice update. It looked like a very slow reprice update. Let me look at the volume on Spyleen and see if my thoughts are correct. Yep, very slow reprice update. Strong buy volume still. The buy volume still stronger than sell volume. The sell volume yesterday was 63 million. The buy volume today was 67 million. Stronger than Stronger than the sell volume still. But it looked like it was a boring cause the volume wasn't like super. If the volume was up here, I'd be like, yeah, it had a lot going on, man. They were buying, selling like crazy. But since the volume down here low like that, it just seemed like it was a boring reprice day. And what I mean by a reprice day is when it just slowly just keep crawling up no matter what. You be like, what is it gonna do? It just looked like it just repriced up. When we opened up the day, when we was on live together, we went up and we took the buy side. We went up, we took the buy side, and then it was somewhere. When we came down, I was like, it looked like this, what was that yesterday? When I was like, looked like this fair value gap gonna hold and it's gonna take off. I can't remember. I can't remember if it was yesterday or the day, but we was on live and we was talking about some stuff. But yeah, so when we opened up, we came up, we took out the buy side that was marked for like the new overnight highs that we had just made on the 9 o'clock calendar. We took out the buy side. We came back down and tested the New York Open and pushed up. Came up here, took out the buy side again on the outside, and then we went totally through that fair value gap that we had made yesterday on the descent down, right? When we made the descent down, we left a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Then today, we got all the way through it. So then once we got all the way through it, come on, Ninja Trader, with your okay, we got all the way through it. Then we came down and set some equal lows right here after we did the wax on and wax off. You know what I'm saying? So we went down, wax on, wax off, right? And then once we did the wax on and wax off, right? So then we came down and boom, dipped up under the New York Open one more time for a good measure, so we can come down here and get a good wax on, wax off of this fair value gap right here. Cause we went in, played around with it, went in, went back up. So we came right back in one more time just to make sure we get a good wax on, wax off there. And then the rest of the day, after the 10:45 candle, slow repricing all day long. Look at that. Almost one red candle from 10:45 up until 1:30. We had one red 15-minute candle from 10:45 to 1:30. That's just slow, steady algo repricing. And the reason why I say it's just slow, steady algo repricing, outside of the fact that it wasn't like a whole lot of volume, but look, we weren't doing no retracing back to anything. You know what I'm saying? We weren't like coming back down to anything. It's a whole fair value gap down here that we just kept selling. Forget it. We just kept selling. Take me away. Here go another fair value gap right here. We just kept sailing. Take me away. Never came back to it until after the market closed. Then we came back down to that fair value gap at the it's 6 o'clock at the 1700 candle, right after the close. Or that 1600 right here. Right at the end of the day, we came down, didn't make it to it, but during the 1700 candle right here, we finally got down into that right there. So all we did was just sailing, take me away. No retracements at all day long. Just a slow bleed up. If I was trading today, and look at that, we don't have any red hourly candles until the last hour of the day. Look at that. From 5 o'clock in the morning, where you gonna be? Outside on the corner. You better get yourself together. Who remember that one? Y'all ain't old enough to remember that. But look at that. We ain't got no red hourly candles the entire day. Just slow, steady repricing all day. Sailing, take me away. So, what will tomorrow bring? I don't know. I don't know. I just know today, if I would have been trading today, I would have been pissed off because today wasn't my style of trade. It wasn't for me. It wasn't my type of price action, right? The only thing that I may have been able to take a trade off of was right here. Yep, this is it right here. This the trade I was talking about. I mean, this is the spot right here. When we today when we opened up and I said I don't like trading this early, and this right here is probably going to be the move to get in right here. Came down to that 15-minute fair value gap right there and went up, and it came back one more time to make sure we get a good wax on, wax off. Gave you another opportunity to get long right there. So that was the setup. So if I was trading futures, that would have been the spot I would have taken the trade at. I would have taken the trade at because it came back during my time frame when I like to take trades. But I wasn't trying to trade futures today. I was sitting back here watching it, and I was just sitting here. I was sitting here watching and monitoring my my calls positions until about 11:15. I ain't gonna hold you. I wasn't even looking for no futures trade. I was just monitoring my call position about 11:15. I hadn't locked in enough profit on my future on my call position to give me plenty profit from what I had lost. Yes, plenty profit to get that back and have plenty profit. No, I went back too far. I would have here. Like that. That's the opening candle. That's 9 o'clock opening candle. I would not have taken this right here. I was checking that to see if I would have taken that. I would not have taken that because it came down farther into the discount that I like. When it get down like that right there into the discount like that right there, I don't trust it. I don't trust it when it get that far down. So I ain't gonna hold you. I would not have taken that trade. That was the spot that I was talking about this morning when it came down to here to this fair value gap right here. But when it come back from the opening price leg to there, I wouldn't have taken that trade because I don't be trusting it when it get down that low. And it would have been a good trade based off of this low over here from 745, right? It would have been, it's still, it's like an OTE entry. That's an OTE entry from here. That's a nice OTE, but I don't trade the OTE setup no more, so I wouldn't have been looking for that from there. What I be looking for is like the discount on the current leg. I be looking for the discount on the current leg, and for the current leg, that's farther than I like for it to come down. So I would have missed that because I wouldn't have been looking for the OTE entry from this right here. What, Tim? What's an OTE entry? I knew you was gonna ask that, little Timmy Rogers. Go look at ICT videos. No, I'm just playing. OTE entry, it stands for optimum trade entry. Something that I learned from ICT, and his optimum trade entries are his favorite one is the is like right here at like the 70% level on the field, and he'll take it down to like this 80% level. And anywhere between the 62, 70, and the 80, well, 79, anywhere in there, that's his optimum trade entry range from the 62, 70, 79. And then his favorite is right there at the 70. You know what I'm saying? That's where he like to take it. He'll take it at the 70 for his optimum trade entry and risk it to below the field down here. That's his favorite spot to take it. So that's what OTE is for anybody that don't know. But I don't trade the OTE anymore. So I would have missed that trade. So there. I don't like to get on here and be like, oh yeah, I could have did this, I could have did that. I like to actually look at the trade for real and tell you what I would have done in real time. And that's how I like to do it. That's all I got as far as the price action, man. That's all I got as far as the price action. The link is in the chat one more time if anybody want to pull up and ask anything or share anything. Let me see what we got. Beast mode activated. Let's go. Leo gang. What's up, Yolanda Hawkins? Leo gang. Your birthday tomorrow. Happy Happy birthday to you. Hey, Chris. Hey, Christopher. Hey, come here for a second. How do you sing that birthday song that Trail Nova? No, what his name? Noah Trevor. What his name is? What's the man name? Is it Noah Trevor? Trevor Noah? How do you sing the birthday song that his mama raised him up singing? Oh yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be A-OK. We're celebrating your birthday. Happy birthday, Yolanda. It's your birthday. What I say? I need a shirt sponsor. Okay then. Yes, happy early birthday. What's up, Robinson? We can start the show now. Yes, coming in late again. Let me say, yes, we was waiting for you. We ain't even start the show till you got here. I ain't start till 6:01. Happy birthday to you. Everybody saying happy birthday. Thought the news about monkeypox would have affected the market. The market don't care about no bad news. The market don't care about nothing right now. The only thing the market care about is repricing to the point that it want to get to. It just want to reprice to the point it want to get to. This is like my weekly target is up here above 417.44, but I ain't even gonna hold y'all. The way we stretching this rubber band out, I'm scared. I'm skeptical about how we stretching this rubber band out. You know what I'm saying? I wanted us to come down to at least feel this. I want Monday. I wanted to come down to about here. Tuesday, I wanted to come down to here. And then today, I wanted to start going back up. I want to at least feel this daily fair value gap right here to complete this gap that was over here. We had the wax on. Boom, get the wax off. You know what I'm saying? This gap over here, we didn't even really come down and test it for real. We came down here and finished the wax on, wax off process because we came halfway through it, went back down, went all the way to the top, and then this came back down to, you know what I'm saying, wax off the top of it, and then we blast through. We got the wax on, but we never got a wax off of this right here, so I'm waiting for the wax off. When we gonna get the wax off? Are we gonna keep going up and then come back for the wax off? Are we gonna pump fake to the upside and then come get the wax off? You know what I'm saying? Because mind you now, these was relative equal highs that we just bust through right here, right? We just bust through these relative equal highs, right? And got a closure above these equal highs. So now the market can very well come up here and get a wick up above these highs and then turn around. You know what I'm saying? Because we closed above these highs. So y'all know how I trade. The market saying, I want to go this way now. But it don't tell you how far it want to go. It just say, I want to go this way now. We could very well come up here, poke above these highs over here, and then just start falling back off. We could. Or we can take off. Pyong. Thursday, Friday. You know what I'm saying? We can just take off. We don't know what we going to do. We ain't got no crystal balls, man. But I'm very leery about how we stretching out this rubber. Look at this, man. Look at this right here. From here to here, let's see how much we have run. I ain't gonna go to the low. I ain't gonna go to the low. I'm gonna go to, when was the 14th? When's that? See the 14th. I'm gonna go to the 18th. I'm gonna go to the open of the 18th. I'm gonna go back I'm gonna go back little over 2 weeks, right? Let's just say a little over 2 weeks to where we closed at today. Right, so we opened the open of the 18th. From the open of the 18th until now, we've moved 6.7% to the upside. Right, from the close of the 18th until now, we've moved 8.5%. From the close of the 18th until now, from the open of the leg up, from the open of the leg up, we have come up almost 11%, 10.9% over 14 trading days. So over 14 trading days, We have climbed up 10.9%. Right? From the open. Let's do this right here. I'm gonna need my phone to get into the dojo. We'll probably do it another day. I gotta go get Junior, man. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. What's up, Stacks? What's going on, Stacks? Larry, get out of here. Get out of here. Larry say after 4,200, sell like Mordecai. Randolph, Mordecai, sell. Get out there and sell. Who remember that movie? Larry, I know you remember that movie. Mark say, we don't care about what little Timmy want, punk. What's up, Stacks? Getting my cash right for next FOMC, next sell-off, trying to buy some leaps at a discount. Yeah. At this point right here, y'all already know what the lick read. I already told y'all. The next pullback in Lil Timmy Rogers' life is a Bible pullback. I would love to see us at any time between now and when we start turning back around is to pull back to this high right here, right? I want to see us pull back to at least that high right there. That's the least I want to see. I would love if we came to the bottom of this fair value gap right here. If we came and we filled this fair value gap right here, let's just call that 394. Close enough to get government work, right? Wherever we go or stop, I would love to see us pull back to 394. At the minimum, see us pull back to 400, right? At a minimum, pull back to 400, and that will be a valuable pullback. We hit 400, I'm scaling into something. We go on down right here to 394, I'm scaling into something, right? That any pullback from here will be a viable pullback for me for long term. But y'all know for my short term, hey, I'll find me a setup for the short term, but I'm just talking about for longer term stuff to buy into, start scaling into longer term stuff. Hey, oh yeah, NFP snatching souls this week. The price action been real junky. Yesterday the price action was chop suey, and today they just repriced all the way up above the highs. I don't know what's going on with the price action. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna pretend like I know what's going on with it. Cause yesterday, chop suey, today it just repriced all the way up. They just kept going. Wouldn't stop. But anyway, it's 6:23. I got to go get my son. Got to go get my eldest son, the one that took my name from me. As y'all can see, one of them took my name. One of them took my birthday. But, hey, that's what we do with our kids. We let them just take, and we still love them. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. Hey, in the morning, I got a lot of stuff to do in the morning. Hey, it's crazy in the morning. I ain't gonna be able to do the overnight price action. We got school verifications and stuff like that starting at 9 o'clock. So we ain't gonna do no overnight price action tomorrow. Y'all just trade safe. Y'all see the charts just like I see them. Y'all don't need me to come on here and tell y'all what I saw. Y'all saw today, me and 100 were looking at the same thing. We're looking at it for two different reasons, but we're looking at the exact same thing for the exact same reason. Exact same purpose. We was looking at it for two different reasons, but we was looking at the exact same thing with the exact same purpose. Y'all looking at the same charts I'm looking at. Y'all don't need me to get on here and tell you nothing. I just appreciate you hanging out with the old man. Y'all be safe. Y'all enjoy your families, enjoy your dinners, whatever you gonna do. I'm gonna go pick up my eldest son. I'm gonna come back and jump on this Zoom call, and I'll see y'all. Hopefully I'll see y'all tomorrow afternoon for the price action recap. I don't think I got nothing going on tomorrow afternoon, but I know in the morning I ain't gonna be on. But until then, man, press the like button if y'all still here. Hit the like button wherever it is. Hit the share button and share this with a cousin if you got something out of it. Even if you didn't get anything out of it, share it with a cousin because they probably will get something out of it. I appreciate y'all, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Gone.